What's up, everybody? Today we are going to go through some hip extension mobilizations. Really going to try and open up that hip, especially get that trail leg going behind you. We are going to use the band to help you do this. So coming in, it's going to go nice and high. Really want to kind of get in that crease of the glutes. From here, scooting back to where you're pretty comfortable. And then we're just going to kind of slide those hips forward. I don't want to arch through low back. I want everything coming from that drive of the hip. You should feel it right in the front of the hip, maybe a little bit off to the side. You're gonna hang out here for a minute or two. You can add a little bit of bounce if you want to. I typically get a little bored, so I enjoy kind of that little bit of movement. Get that sensation, get everything feeling through there. You can go standing. This is what I prefer. I like standing. I feel like I can fine tune it a little bit better. You can also go into a kneeling position. Same mobilization, same thing going on at the hip. It's really just trying to get everything moving, getting in there, get you moving at your best. Try that one out. It's definitely one of my favorite banded hip openers that you can do to improve your performance. Try it out. Make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this, comment on this post. We can bring you more fun, fantastic mobility ideas, exercise ideas, keep you living the way that you want to.